Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of creating a username for your Spectrum TV account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Spectrum TV. The app might take some time to load. Once loaded, tap on the option Create a Username. You'll then be redirected to this page where you'll be asked to confirm your account. For confirming your account, you need to provide one of the following details associated with your account. You can either provide your contact info, that is phone number or email address, or you can provide your account info, that is account number and security code. Enter the information asked here, and after that check on the box that says I'm not a robot. Once you have done all of these, tap on next and then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to create a username for your Spectrum TV account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Health Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.